thought I'd show you the before of my kitchen. I've already taken off the cupboard doors, but this weekend, fingers crossed, all these uppers and the bulkheads will be out. We've already started removing that. Look at the lovely wallpaper above there. And we've already started taking out the drywall valance in the dining room here. Got my chandelier covered up, so I'm really getting excited. I might get new, partially new kitchen rather soon. I'm doing my kitchen in stages. I'm going to show you the pantry wall. The pantry wall here was done last spring, I guess it was. And the fridge there used to be a fridge there, it really blocked the entrance. So I got a new fridge, moved it over here. The water's not hooked up or anything yet. And that probably won't happen until next year. I've got the one cabinet there. It's not really permanently in there, but because the back, like the backsplash there, that's all got to come out. So I'm going to have to move the cabinet again and then put it back again afterwards. But yeah, I'm really getting excited that this is finally happening. Long-term plans, when I do the lower part of the cabinets, when I replace all these, the dishwasher's getting moved. I'm at the very least, it'll be moved to the other side of the sink. I would really like to have it moved into the peninsula here, but we'll have to see how that goes. So yeah, I can't afford to get it all done at once, but little by little, this is going to get done. So just want to give you the before here, and I will take pictures and whatnot as we go through it and show you the stages in between. That's all for now. Here's Dave and Darren smashing out the tiles, already taken down the kitchen cabinets. And just have to do the bulkheads up above. I hope so. Hi everyone, just wanted to do a quick update. This is what my kitchen's looking like right now. Drywall valance is out and everything. Waiting for the electrician to come to deal with all these wiring issues and stuff like that. Good morning everyone. Just thought I'd give you a quick look at all the progress so far in my kitchen. All the drywall is being repaired. Got my new things for my light fixtures in there. That's where the drywall valance was, down there. And Tom's brought his handy dandy little scaffolding there. You can see the mess of stuff back in the back hall there. So yeah, finally getting some progress. Hi everybody, just doing a little quick follow-up here. This is the progress in my kitchen so far, coming together. Yeah, I'm getting excited. Morning, everybody. Just thought I'd show you the progress on my kitchen reno. I'm so excited. I finally got the countertop in. My contractor's coming back on Saturday to hook up the sink again and finish putting in the extra piece underneath and all the other little details. Oops, sorry for the shaking. I got a little piece of granite for the microwave nook. And yeah, it's coming together. Good morning, everybody. I have finally finished my kitchen makeover for 2018. It's about 90% done now. Since I've been doing this in stages, I've got a little bit more to do. Hopefully next year I will be able to afford that. I still have to do the kick plate there, paint the filler on either side of the stove, do something with the peninsula here, and of course this is all depending on getting the floor done first. So all this is coming out, and I would like to do hardwood throughout the main floor that's all the same. I had a little piece of granite put where the microwave is. That's called Oyster White. And the backsplash is from Rona. It's called Troy. It has the strips of stainless steel and glass and what looks like marble. I think it's probably ceramic tile. I'm loving my farmhouse style sink and my Ikea cabinets. I will do a future video with showing you how I organize everything in them and some of the new features. I finally got my fridge hooked up here, so I have running water and ice working there, and I also had my dishwasher moved over here, so that's working out nicely as well too. So I hope you like this video. I will link below my blog where I write articles about home decor and organizing and lifestyle and some frugal living tips and things like that, maybe some DIY. Yeah, so anyway, if you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.